చార్మినార్.
A man came to Hyderabad to attend a conference. He was visiting the city for the
చదువు రీడింగ్ కాంప్రహెన్షన్ ఇంతేగా ఉంది.
He wanted to see the Charminar. So the next day, after he attended the conference, he set out to visit the Charminar. He asked a police officer for directions to reach the place. The officer said, "Wait at this bus stop for the number 65 bus. It will take you right there." He thanked the police officer and the officer drove off. 3 hours later, the police officer returned to the same area to find the man still waiting at the same bus stop. Surprised, he got out of his car and asked the man, "Why are you still waiting? Didn't you get the bus?" The man replied, "Don't worry, officer, it won't be late now. The 58th bus just went by."
ఓకే, ప్యాసేజ్ అర్థమైందండి అందరికి?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
నెంబర్ 65 బస్సు వస్తుంది, దాంట్లో వెళ్ళు అంటే వీడు అన్నాడంట ఓన్లీ 58 బస్సులు వెళ్ళినాయండి, ఇంకా 65 కి రాలేదు, వచ్చేస్తుంది 658 వెళ్ళినాయి కాబట్టి 65 కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది అని చెప్పి అక్కడ నిల్చున్నాడంట. అంతేగాని బస్ నెంబర్ 65 అనుకోవట్లేదు వాడు. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం తల్లి నిత్య.
Yes, sir. Why did the man come to Hyderabad to attend a conference, sir?
కాన్ఫరెన్స్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ లో చెప్పాడు ఇక్కడ. సెకండ్
Yes,
క్వశ్చన్
Write a synonym for surprised.
ఎక్కడ ఉంది ప్యాసేజ్ లో? సినోనిమ్ కి సర్ప్రైజ్డ్ కి సినోనిమ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Passage లో లేదు సార్. Passage లో surprised అనే ఇచ్చారు సార్.
సర్ప్రైజ్డ్ కి సినోనిమ్ ఏమవుతుంది? షాక్డ్ అనుకోవచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
గుడ్, షాక్డ్. రాసుకోండి, పక్కన ఆన్సర్ రాయండి.
Yes, sir.
Why was the man waiting at the stop?
To catch 65 number bus.
To catch 65 number bus. Good. Next question.
Do you think the police officer gave the right direction to reach the Charminar? Yes, sir.
Yeah, police officers ఎప్పుడు తప్పు చెప్పరు కాబట్టి రైట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ yes. Okay.
Yes. State true or false. The man was visiting the Charminar for the first time. Yes, sir. True.
The right option is yes. ఇక్కడ రాశాడు కదా, he was visiting the city for the first time అని. So right
Yes,
option
sir.
is yes. Okay, let us go to next paragraph. ఒళ్ళు దగ్గర పెట్టుకుని వినండి. జెనెటిక్ మోడిఫికేషన్. లక్ష్మి చదువు తల్లి.
The controversy over genetically modified food continues unabated in the West. Genetic modification is the science by which the genetic material of a plant is altered, perhaps to make it more resistant to pests or killer weeds, or to enhance its nutritional value.
కంటిన్యూ చేయదండి.
Many food biotechnologists claim that GM will be a major contribution of science to mankind in the 21st century. On the other hand, large number of opponents, mainly in Europe, claim that the benefits of GM are a myth propagated by multinational corporations to increase their profits, and that they pose health hazards. They have therefore called for governments to ban the sale of genetically modified food.
గుడ్. తర్వాత
The anti-GM campaign is quite effective in Europe, with several European member countries imposing a virtual ban for 5 years over genetically modified food imports. Since the genetically modified food industry is particularly strong in the United States of America, the controversy also constitutes another chapter in the US-Europe skirmishes, which have become particularly acerbic after the US invasion of Iraq.
This topic was taken from CAT 4th edition by Arun Sharma and Meenakshi Upadhyay. Okay, let us go to questions. Nitya.
Yes, sir. What is genetic modification? Genetic modification is a science by which the genetic material of a plant is altered, perhaps to make it more resistant to pesticides or killer weeds, or to enhance its nutritional value.
Very good. Enhance nutritional value గాని లేదా రెసిస్టెంట్ టు పెస్ట్ అండ్ కిల్లర్ వీడ్స్ గాని చేస్తే గనుక దాన్ని ఏమంటాము? జెనెటికల్లీ మోడిఫైడ్ అంటాము.
Yes, sir. What is the major contribution of science to mankind in the 21st century. Genetic modification, sir.
Genetically modified food is the
Uh,
major contribution of science in 21st century.
21st
Okay.
century. Find the word in the passage which means to engage in minor dispute.
Okay.
Uh,
Minor dispute
US,
ki
USA, Europe తర్వాత ఉంది కదా సార్.
skirmishes.
Yes, sir.
Skirmishes ki minor dispute. Okay. తర్వాతది
Where is the anti-GM campaign effective in Europe, sir?
Where is the anti-GM campaign effective in Europe? Good. తర్వాత నాన్న.
Who called for governments to ban the sale of genetically modified food?
ఎవరు కాల్ చేశారు?
Large number of opponents in Europe.
లార్జ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కంట్రీస్ ఇన్ యూరోప్ లో ఉన్న చాలా కంట్రీస్ అపోజ్ చేసింది, గవర్నమెంట్స్ బ్యాన్ చేసినాయి. ఓకే.
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా పారాగ్రాఫ్?
అర్థమైంది, sir.
రైట్. లెట్ us go to the mainless line.
50 feet away, 3 male lions lay by the road. They didn't appear to have a hair on their heads. Noting the color of their noses, leonine noses darkened as they aged from pink to black. Craig estimated that they were 6-year-old young adults. This is what we came to see. They are really maneless. Craig, a professor at the University of Minnesota, is arguably the leading expert on the majestic Serengeti lion, whose head is mantled in long, thick hair. He and Peyton West, a doctoral student who has been working with him in Tanzania, has never seen the Tsavo lions that live some 200 miles east of Serengeti. The scientists had partly suspected that the maneless male lions were adolescents mistaken for adults by amateur observers. Now they know better.
గుడ్. జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థమైందండి? ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే.
The
తర్వాత
Tsavo research expedition was mostly Peyton's show. She had spent several years in Tanzania compiling the data she needed to answer a question that ought to have been answered long ago. Why do lions have manes? It's only the only cat, wild or domestic, that displays such ornamentation.
This is also taken from Kath 4th edition by Arun Sharma and Meenakshi Upadhyaya.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let us go to the questions, Nitya.
Name the two scientists in the passage.
ఎవరు టూ
Count
సైంటిస్ట్?
Craig and Peyton West.
ఎవరెవరమ్మా?
Craig and Peyton West.
క్రాగ్ కాదు, అది క్రేగ్. క్రేగ్ అండ్ పీటన్ వెస్ట్ అన్నది ఒక సైంటిస్ట్, ఇంకో సైంటిస్ట్ ఏమో క్రేగ్. ఓకే, సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి తల్లి?
Say true or false. Serengeti lions are maneless. False.
రైట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్
False.
ఫాల్సా? ఓకే.
Where do Tsavo lions live?
Tsavo lions live
Some 200 miles away from Serengeti.
Serengeti కాడి నుంచి 200 మైల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఈస్ట్ లో ఉంటాయి అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే.
Pick the adjective in the passage which means pertaining to or characteristics of a lion.
ఓకే.
Leonine, sir.
ఏదమ్మా?
Leonine. 9.
నాకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు. స్పెల్లింగ్ చెప్పు.
Leonine, sir.
ఎక్కడ ఉంది అది?
ఫస్ట్ పారా సెకండ్ లైన్ లో ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే, లియోనైన్. ఓకే, లియోనైన్ is the characteristic feature of a lion. Okay.
Yes, sir. Write the noun form of the verb estimated. Estimation, sir.
Estimation. Good. Estimated ki noun form is estimation. Right. తర్వాతది
Coca-Cola, a few facts. One of the the most successful commercial products ever launched is said to have come about as a result of a mistake. In 1896, Jacobs Pharmacy in Atlanta, Georgia was selling a nerve tonic known as French wine cola idle nerve tonic. By accidentally adding fizzy water instead of still water to the recipe, a pharmacist John S. Pemberton invented what has Coca-Cola. It has enjoyed phenomenal success worldwide, and this combination of carbonated water, sugar, acid, and flavorings has come to symbolize the American way of life for most of the world. But even the manufacturers could hardly describe Coca Cola as a healthy product since it contains relatively high amounts of sugar and phosphoric acid, both of which are known to damage teeth. However, the company's enviable marketing strategies, like the most memorable commercials, tunes, slogans, and sponsorship in the world of advertising, variously emphasizing international harmony, youthfulness, and a free lifestyle, made Coca Cola endure the popularity till now.
Okay, let us go to the questions. Nitya?
Yes, yes, sir. What was Coca-Cola originally? French
Origin-
wine, cola, idle nerve tonic, sir.
Okay, French wine cola, idle nerve tonic. Okay.
Yes, sir. What are the basic ingredients of Coca-Cola?
Ah,
Carbonated water, sugar, acid, and flavorings.
flavorings. Okay.
Yes, sir. Why is Coca-Cola harmful to teeth?
Okay.
Because of high amounts of sugar and um, fluoric acid,
Phosphoric acid.
phosphoric acid.
Okay.
What has come to symbolize the American way of life for most of the world? Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. Okay.
Right, an antony of endure. Short phrase.
ANTONYM పలకడం రావట్లేదు నిత్య నీకు.
వచ్చింది సార్.
ఏంటది చెప్పు నాకు.
Antonym.
మరి యాంటోనిమీ అంటావే.
కాదు సార్, antonym.
యాంటోనిమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎండ్యూర్ ఏంటమ్మా.
Failed.
ఫెయిల్డ్.
Yes,
రైట్ ఆప్షన్
sir.
కెన్ ఫెయిల్.
అయిపోయింది
రైట్.
సార్.
Let us go to next paragraph.
Iron Man of India. Popularly and rightly known as the Iron Man of India or Bismarck of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is among the most influential political icons of India. The first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India, Patel was instrumental in unification of 555 princely states and setting up a democratic federal setup in the country. He played a key role in the freedom struggle, rubbing shoulders with the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. It would be no exaggeration if we label him as the chief architect of independent India, who sailed through the turbulent times with his rock solid leadership.
Good.
Sardar Patel always believed that due to extensive diversity and multiple cultures and languages, India needs a strong bureaucratic setup. He played constructive role in the creation of Indian Civil Services Code, drafted by the suited only their own interests, and later on it was diluted by the Bismarck of India to create a better bureaucratic structure that works for the betterment of the country. Thus, he came to be known as patron saint for India civil servants for establishing models.
Modern All India Services. Okay, Nitya, question చదువు తల్లి.
Yes, sir. How many labels are used to describe Patel and what are they? 3 names, sir.
ఏంటమ్మా
Iron
ఇవి?
Man, Iron Man of India, Bismarck of India, Patron Saint.
Patron saint. ఓకే, టోటల్ 3 అండర్లైన్ చేసుకున్నారా, రాసుకుంటున్నారా ఆన్సర్స్ అందరూనే?
Yes, sir.
బాబీ,
Sir.
విచ్ రాజు, కార్తికేయ మణికంఠ
Yes, sir.
గుడ్ కావ్యబాల క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ పెడుతున్నావా
పెడుతున్నాను సార్.
గుడ్ తర్వాత సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ చదువు తల్లి
Why did Patel believe that India needed a strong bureaucratic setup?
Okay.
Due to extensive diversity and multiple cultures and languages.
డైవర్స్డ్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ కల్చర్స్ అండ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఓకే 3 రైట్ తర్వాత
Why Patel is called the chief architect of modern India?
ఓకే
Because he was instrumental in the unification of
555 princely states.
Yes, sir. And setting up a democratic federal set up in the country.
ఓకే అండర్లైన్ చేసుకున్నారు అది పారాగ్రాఫ్ లో
Yes, sir.
గుడ్ నెక్స్ట్ ది ఎక్స్పాండ్ ఐఏఎస్ నాన్న
Indian Administrative Services.
ఇండియన్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటివ్ సర్వీసెస్ ఓకే రబ్బింగ్ షోల్డర్స్ సజెస్ట్
Associate with.
అసోసియేట్ విత్ ఓకే గుడ్
Yes, sir.
వర్క్ ఇస్ వర్షిప్ కొంచెం ఈ పారాగ్రాఫ్ లక్ష్మికి బ్రేక్ ఇద్దాం రామచంద్ర చదువుతాడు రామచందర్ రామచందర్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ వర్షిప్ పడుకున్నావా
There are 365 days in a year. Yes, sir. There are 365 days in a year. If we take away the 52 Sundays, it leaves 313 days left for work. We at least have 12 declared holidays per year, which leaves 301 days for work. We are further entitled for 12 days of sick leave, 12 days of casual leave, and 12 days of privilege leave. It leaves 265 days for work. On the days we work, even talking those who do not work by the clock as benchmark, we spend on an average about 12 hours each day away from work. And that counts for 133 days, half of 265. There are 135 days left for work. Within those 12 hours at work, we spend at least 2 hours each day on coffee breaks, lunch, and snacking, which accounts for another 11 days each year. It leaves 121 days available for work. And that's just 33% of a year is spent on work. Even for this 33% of work life, there is so much crippling. Oh, what a tragedy. Born in a culture that taught work is worship, and through work, the divine can be attained. We have lost the sanctity of work.
Okay.
The food we eat, the clothes we wear, the shelter we live in, and the luxuries of comfort we enjoy are the rewards of the work we do. Work not only gives the rewards of life, but also a sense of purpose and dignity to our life.
Irrespective of people? What happened, Ramchandar? Nitya?
Sir, తను మైక్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది సార్.
మైక్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది. ఓకే లక్ష్మి అక్కడి నుంచి చదువుతల్లి.
Sir, irrespective of the people we work with, the organization we represent, the designation we carry, the portfolio we hold, let's begin every morning with gratitude to the work we do. Let us go to our workplace with greater reverence and devotion than we would go to a place of worship.
ఓకే మ్యాగ్స్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫినిట్ థాట్స్ నుంచి తీసుకున్నాడంట. ఓకే క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం తల్లి.
How much percent of a year is spent in work by any employee? 33%. Sir.
33%. Very good.
What is Karma Yoga? The divine can be attained through work, sir.
Edamma, the divine
can be attained through work.
Through work. Okay, that is Karma Yoga. Okay.
What are the rewards of the work we do? The food we eat, the clothes we wear, the shelter we live in, and the luxuries of comfort.
Luxuries of comfort. Good.
Pick out the word from the passage which means something considered scared.
Scared కాదు, sacred.
Sorry, sir. Sacred. Sanity, sir.
Sanity. Good.
What does our culture teach us about work?
Hmm.
Work is worship.
Work is worship.
Yes, sir.
ఈవెంట్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మనకి మధుమిత చదువుతుంది.
Sir,
మధు, ఈవెంట్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
one night a group of nomads were preparing to retire for the evening when suddenly they were surrounded by a great light.
Hmm.
They knew they were in the presence of a celestial being.
Celestial being.
With a great anticipation, they awaited a heavenly message of great importance that they knew must be especially for them. Finally, a voice roared, "Gather as many shells as you can. Put them in your saddlebags. Travel a day's journey, and tomorrow night will find you both glad and sad." The nomads shared their disappointment and anger with each other. They expected the revelation of a great universal truth that would enable them to create wealth, health, and purpose for the world, but instead they were given a menial task that made no sense to them at all. However, reluctantly, each one of them picked up a few shells and deposited them in their saddlebags. They traveled a day's journey, and at night, while making their camp, they reached into their saddlebags and discovered that every shell they had gathered had become a diamond. They were glad that they had diamonds. They were sad that they had not gathered enough shells. This is the metaphor of life. Every event that we encounter in life is a shell, a doorway to maturity. It is in our hands to turn an event into experience, that is, turn the shells into diamonds.
ప్యాసేజ్ అర్థమైంది అందరికీ?
Yes, sir.
మధుమిత అర్థమైందా ప్యాసేజ్?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let us go to questions, Nitya.
Yes, sir. Why were the nomads disappointed?
Nitya,
Answer, sir.
ఏదైంది ఇంగ్లీష్?
Sir, ఏం అవ్వలేదు, sir.
Why were nomads disappointed?
They expected the revelation of a great universal truth that would enable them to create wealth, health, and purpose for the world, but instead they were given a menial task that made no sense to them at all.
Very good. Underline చేసుకున్నారు అందరూని?
Yes, sir.
Right. Second question ఏంటండి?
Why were they both glad and sad at the end? They were glad that they had diamonds. They were sad that they had not gathered enough shells.
Okay.
What are shells compared in this story? Events, sir.
ఏమన్నా?
Events.
Events. Okay.
Yes.
Shells compared to events. Good.
Write a synonym of anticipation. Expectations.
Expectation. Good.
According to the passage, every event is a shell, which we can turn into a diamond, like experience. Answer true, sir.
Right answer is true. Very good. Let us go to next question. Next passage. 17 అనుకుంటా.
Yes, sir. 17 ఉన్నాయి, sir.
Okay. 16th ది రామచంద్ర జాయిన్ అయ్యాడా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, రామచంద్ర 16th ది.
Okay, sir. The chaotic packers are the people who slam open their suitcases and they assault them with their clothes and effect. In go the pants and
రామచందర్ దాన్ని చయాటిక్ అని కాదు, కేయాటిక్ అని చదవాలి. ద కేయాటిక్ ప్యాకర్స్ అన్నాను. ఓకేనా? గుడ్.
Okay, sir.
కంటిన్యూ.
In go the pants and shirts, losing their ironing as they hit the bottom of the bag. Caught up in the flurry of cloth are the more chunky of the objects. the shoes, the shaving equipment, the makeup bottles, the books and papers required for the trip, the chargers, and the external hard drives. Somehow, all of this is stuffed into the bag before the travelers wrestle the thing shut. The chaotic packers then straightened up and smacked their hands in satisfaction. When's the taxi coming? They say and sit down and switch on the TV so that they can be sure to be late for the flight. Then there is the opposite category, the meticulous packers. These people usually start with making a list or several lists. Everything they plan to take on a trip is put down.
నిత్య మళ్ళీ పోయింది నెట్.
లేదు సార్, మైక్ ఆన్ చేసే ఉంది, నెట్ కనెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం అనుకుంటా సార్.
అయితే మళ్ళీ లక్ష్మి దగ్గరికి. లక్ష్మి కంటిన్యూ.
Suitcases are opened and filed almost scientifically, as if the packers are reproducing a complicated mathematical equation. When you see the finished suitcases, you feel as the things were born like this, and there is no possibility of them being packed any other way. The meticulous packers then shut the suitcases, stand next to the door, and wait for the transport that will get to the airport well in advance.
Right. Let us go to questions, Tali.
Yes, sir. How many kinds of packers are discussed here? How are they?
How are they?
Who are they, sir?
నిత్య కోపం వచ్చేస్తుంది. Who are they?
Who are they? Two types discussed చేశారు సార్. First one, chaotic packers. Next, meticulous packers.
Chaotic కాదు, chaotic అది.
Okay, sir. Chaotic.
Okay, chaotic and meticulous. Okay, second thing.
Straight to true or false. Chaotic packers reach the airport well in advance. False, sir.
False. Okay.
Pick the word from the passage which is synonymous to careful or precise. Meticulous, sir.
Meticulous. Good.
The passage is a discussion on different types of luggage packers. Option B, sir.
B. Okay.
Write the antonym of external. Internal, sir.
నిత్య ANTONYM ఏమవుద్ది?
Antonym, sir.
మరి యాంటోనిమీ అని ఎందుకు వచ్చేస్తుంది అక్కడ?
ఏమో సార్, అలాగ వచ్చేస్తుంది.
యాంటోనిమ్ కి ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ ఏమవుద్ది? ఇంటర్నల్.
Yes, sir.
Good. Lakshmi, last paragraph తల్లి.
Yes, sir. An unexpected guest in a town. It was still a busy hour in the city when I entered Market Road. People ran for lives at the sight of me. As I progressed through, shutters were pulled down and people hid themselves under culverts, on trees, behind pillars. The population was melting out of sight. At the circus, I had to study human behavior. Outside the circus ring, they sat in their seats placidly while I cowered before the captain's whip. I got a totally wrong notion of human beings at that angle. I had thought that they were sturdy and fearless. Now I found them fleeing before me like a herd of deer, although I had no intention of attacking them. When I paused in front of a tailor's shop, he abandoned his mission and shut himself in a cupboard, wailing, "Alas, I am an undone. Won't someone shoot the tiger?" A prisoner between two constables who had been caught for murder and was just emerging from the courthouse got his chance to escape when the constables fled, abandoning him with his handcuffs. I tore Horse from his jutka and enjoyed the sight of the passengers spilling out of it and running for their lives.
A passage from a tiger for Malgudi by R.K. Narayan. Okay, question చూద్దాం తల్లి.
Yes, sir. Who is the narrator of the passage? A tiger, sir, from Malgudi by R.K. Narayan.
R.K. Narayan. Okay.
Yes, sir. At the sight of what did the people run for their lives? The tiger, sir.
టైగర్. ఓకే.
What did the narrator think about human beings? It had thought that they were stubborn and fearless.
ఫియర్లెస్ అండ్ స్టడర్. ఓకే.
Write the noun form of the adverb placidly. Sir, answer అది?
ప్లాసిడ్లీ.
Placidly. Placidity, sir.
ప్లాసిడిటీ. రైట్.
Write the antonym of fearless.
ఫియర్ఫుల్.
Fearless, sir.
ఫియర్లెస్ కి యాంటోనిమ్ ఏంటి?
Fearful.
ఫియర్ఫుల్. గుడ్.
Yes, sir.
అందరు రాస్తున్నారా నాన్న?
Yes, sir. రాసుకున్నాం, sir.
రైట్. నిఖిల్ జాయిన్ అవ్వలేదా? నిఖిల్ లేడా?
వైఫై ప్రాబ్లం అండి సార్, వర్క్ అవుతుందండి సార్.
ఏది నాన్న?
వైఫై పనిచేయట్లేదండి సార్, పనిచేస్తున్నారండి సార్.
ఓకే, వైఫై పనిచేయట్లేదా? ఓకే. సో రీడింగ్ కాంప్రిహెన్షన్ అయ్యిందండి. సో టుమారో, రేపు ఏం చేద్దామంటే ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్ ఆఫ్ నాన్ వర్బల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చేద్దాం, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 191. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
అమ్మ నిఖి, అందరూ రాసుకున్నారో లేదో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయి తల్లి నువ్వు.
ఓకే సార్.
ఆర్సి అందరూ ఆన్సర్స్ పెట్టుకున్నారో లేదో చెక్ చేయి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. సార్ మరి ఈ రోజు నిఖిల్ రాలేదు కదా సార్, ఈ రోజు బాయ్స్ ది కూడా చూడమంటారా సార్?
చూడు నాన్న, చూడు ఒకసారి చూడు.
ఓకే సార్.
నిఖిల్ ఒకటి ఎక్సెప్షన్ ఇవి, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరి ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే నాన్న, దట్ విల్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్లాస్. విల్ మీట్ ఇన్ టుమారోస్ క్లాస్. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, బాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్.
బాయ్ సార్.
బాయ్ సార్.